Interesting facts about undersea cables, which play a crucial role in global telecommunications and data transfer. 1. Backbone of the Internet. Undersea cables form the backbone of the global Internet, transmitting about 99% of international data traffic. They connect continents and enable communication between countries and regions across vast distances. 2. Length of cables. Undersea cables span thousands of kilometers. The longest undersea cable, the Maria cable, stretches approximately 6,600 kilometers, 4,100 miles, across the Atlantic Ocean, connecting Virginia Beach in the US to Bilbao in Spain. 3. Depths of the ocean. These cables are laid on the ocean floor, often at great depths. For example, the deepest part of the Mariana Trench is around 11,000 meters, 36,000 feet deep, though cables are typically laid at less extreme depths. 4. Installation process. Installing undersea cables involves specialized ships equipped with cable-laying machinery. The cables are carefully placed on the ocean floor, and in shallow areas, they may be buried to protect them from damage. 5. High-capacity. Modern undersea cables can carry an immense amount of data. For instance, the CME 5 cable has a total capacity of 24 terabits per second, TBPs, equivalent to about 24 trillion bits per second. 6. Fiber optic technology. Most undersea cables use fiber optic technology, which transmits data as pulses of light through glass fibers. This allows for high-speed and high-capacity data transmission with minimal signal loss. 7. Multiple cores. Undersea cables typically have multiple optical fibers, cores, bundled together. Each core can handle multiple data channels, increasing the overall capacity of the cable. 8. Redundancy and reliability. To ensure reliability and minimize downtime, many undersea cable systems have redundant routes. This means that if one cable is damaged, data can be rerouted through alternate paths. 9. Vulnerability to damage. Undersea cables are susceptible to damage from natural events, such as earthquakes, and human activities, like fishing and anchoring. They are designed to withstand a range of stresses, but repairs can be costly and time-consuming. 10. Global network. There are over 400 undersea cables currently in operation, connecting continents and islands around the world. This network is vital for global communication, trade, and economic activities. 11. Historical significance. The first successful transatlantic undersea cable was laid in 1858, connecting Europe and North America. This marked the beginning of global telecommunications and significantly impacted international communication. 12. Environmental considerations. The installation and maintenance of undersea cables involve environmental considerations. Efforts are made to minimize ecological impact, such as avoiding sensitive marine areas and using environmentally friendly technologies. 13. Emerging technologies. Advancements in technology are continually improving undersea cables. These facts highlight the critical role of undersea cables in global communication infrastructure, their technological sophistication, and the challenges associated with their installation and maintenance. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.